Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Apple Cash card in 2025 step by step, super easy and fast. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your card number, expiration date, security code, and even how to request a new card number if needed. Let's jump right in. First things first, if you find this kind of tech guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps us keep making free content like this. Now open up the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. If it's not on your home screen, just swipe down and search for Wallet. Once inside, you'll see all your cards. Look for the one labeled Apple Cash. It usually has a sleek black and white look. The color might vary slightly depending on your balance. Tap on the Apple Cash card and now look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a circle with three dots. Go ahead and tap that. Now you're in the card settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the card number section. Tap on it. You'll be asked to verify with Face ID or your passcode. Once verified, you'll see the full details, your Apple Cash card number, expiration date, and security code. Just a heads up, your card info is protected, so you might not be able to take screenshots and may not appear masked until you verify your identity. And here's a cool bonus. Since it's a Visa card, you can use this number for online purchases, just like any other credit or debit card. Need a new card number for security? There's even an option right to the page to request a new one instantly. Apple makes it simple and secure, and that's it. Super easy, right? If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of your Apple Wallet, check out the video I have linked on the screen. I break down all the features and benefits. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, I have promised.